Hello dear students, in the previous video I have discussed about control format indicator, that is CFI. In this video I am going to discuss about hybrid automatic repeat request indicator HI. The control information HI is for hybrid automatic repeat request acknowledgement in response to uplink transmission. LTE uses a hybrid automatic repeat request scheme for error correction. The eNode B sends a HARQ indicator to the user equipment to indicate a positive acknowledgement or negative acknowledgement for data sent using the uplink shared channel. It has two values, that is HI equals to 1 and HI equals to 0. HI equals to 1 is for positive acknowledgement and HI equals to 0 is for negative acknowledgement. A repetition code with rate 1/3 is applied, which has two code words. They are 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Such a repetition is able to provide frequency diversity by mapping different code bits to different resource elements. Here BPSK is the modulation scheme. HI is mapped onto the PHI-CH physical channel, PHI-CH. Multiple PHI-CH mapped to the same set of resource elements constitute a PHI-CH group, where PHI-CH within the same group are separated through different orthogonal sequences with a spreading factor of 4. A PHI-CH is identified by the index pair, that is N group, comma, N sequence. Where N group is the PHI-CH group number and N sequence is the orthogonal sequence index within the group. The number of PHI-CH groups are different for frame structure type 1 and type 2 along with the orthogonal sequence. In addition, cell specific scrambling is applied. Here I mentioned PHI-CH. This stands for Physical Channel Hybrid ARQ Indicator Channel. PHI-CH is carried by the first symbol of each subframe. One PHI-CH is carried by a multiple REG. REG stands for resource element groups, are used to define the mapping of control channels to resource element RE. Multiple PHI-CH can be carried by the same set of REG, and these multiple PHI-CH being carried by the same REGs are called PHI-CH group. These multiple PHI-CH are multiplexed by orthogonal codes. Therefore, to identify a specific PHI-CH, we need to know PHI-CH group number and orthogonal code index. In some cases, multiple PHI-CH can be mapped to a same set of resource elements, and this group of PHI-CH being carried by the same set of resource element is called PHI-CH group. Thank you.